It's Thursday, 16th January, and the markets closed the day on a positive note. Broader indices showed strong performance, with mid and small cap stocks making notable gains. Let's look into the key highlights and insights from today's market action. The Nifty climbed 98 points to close at 23,311, while the Sensex added 318 points to end at 77,042, both advancing by 0.42%. Market breadth leaned positive, with 2,777 stocks advancing and 1,188 declining. Metals, PSU banks, and auto led the gains, while IT, FMCG, and pharma ended in the red. HDFC Life, Bharat Electronics, SBI Life, Shriram Finance, and Adani Ports emerged as the top gainers, lending strength to the indices. Trent, Dr. Reddy's Labs, HCL Tech, Tata Consumer, and Infosys were the major laggards, weighing against market sentiment. The rupee closed at 86.56 against the US dollar on Thursday, down 16 paise, weighed by a strong dollar, high crude prices, and foreign fund outflows. Positive domestic equities helped limit losses. The rupee traded within a range, opening at 86.42, hitting an intraday high of 86.37, and eventually settling at 86.56. Axis Bank reported a 4% YoY rise in Q3 FY25 net profit to 6,034 crore rupees, while NII grew 9% to 13,606 crore rupees. Fresh slippages jumped 46% YoY to 5,432 crore rupees, raising loan loss provisions to 2,185 crore rupees. The net interest margin fell to 3.93%. Infosys posted strong Q3 results, with net profit climbing 11.46% YoY to 6,806 crore rupees, surpassing market expectations. Revenue grew 7.58% YoY to 41,764 crore rupees, also beating estimates. Sequentially, net profit rose 4.61% and revenue increased 1.89%. The broader markets outshined the benchmarks today, with the Nifty Midcap 100 climbing 1.08% and the Small Cap 100 surging 1.67%. This strong performance highlights growing investor confidence in mid and small cap stocks, signaling robust market participation. Gold rose 0.44% to $2,708 on Thursday, breaking above $2,693 as inflation data and retail sales drove interest. Traders eyed $2,726 as the next resistance, with rate cut expectations boosting demand. East geopolitical tensions capped safe haven gains. LTIMindtree reported a 7.14% YoY dip in net profit at 1,085.4 crore rupees for Q3 FY25, despite revenue climbing 7.1% to 9,660.9 crore rupees. The IT firm's deal wins reached $1.68 billion, up from $1.5 billion in the previous year, with strong growth in banking and technology segments. Delhivery shares rose 3% on early today after announcing its new to our delivery service, Rapid Commerce. The stock, which opened at 327 rupees and 40 paise, surged to 335 rupees during intraday trades. Launched in Bengaluru, the service has processed over 300 orders daily. Havells India reported a nearly 2% drop in Q3 profit, falling to 283 crore rupees from 288 crore rupees last year. Higher labor and advertising expenses impacted margins, despite an 11% rise in revenue to 4,883 crore rupees. Total expenses grew by 12.3% to 4,564 crore rupees. And that wraps up for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest market insights.